At this moment we have 121 children living in Leros. Mainly they come from Afghanistan, from Somalia and Palestine. These children have traveled alone hundreds of thousands of kilometers from their country. Let's imagine a child coming from Afghanistan. This child has has crossed Afghanistan, has crossed Iran, has crossed Turkey, and through different smuggling groups, they have crossed the Aegean Sea until they have arrived in Leros.
And what sort of conditions are they living in on the island of Leros?
These children are actually packed in a center in Leros because there are not enough shelters in order to host them in the island. So actually they are living under very bad conditions. There's not enough of beds. Some of the children sleep on the floor. There's not enough of water. There are not enough of latrines for personal hygiene. So what Médecins du Monde Greece demands from the state is to give a permanent solution for the hosting of these children in big cities of Greece. The only weapon that these children have in order to protest and express their feelings about the bad conditions in which they are living in is that they use hunger strikes. For example, some of the children choose to refuse food for a couple of days. For example, they refuse to eat for 3 or 4 days. And this is their way, their personal way, although they are very young, to protest for what's happening. Greece is swamped of immigrants during the last few years, and we all know that there are not enough of infrastructure to host all these people. So even the local authorities in Leros are doing their best to host not only these children, but the increasing number of immigrants that are arriving in their island. The Greek state has to jump into the problem in a more, let's say, strong way and give a solution to these problems. Yes, what we are asking for as an organization that is intervening in Leros, and not only in Leros, but on the side of immigrants and refugees that come and arrive in Greece, to have more shelters in Greece and in the islands in order to host under human conditions all these increasing number of immigrants.
And what about the European Union? As Greece is part of the European Union, what should it be doing to help its partner?
We can't just close our eyes and not see that, of course, Greece is part of the European Union. That means that the European Union has to support one of its members, as Greece, in order to cope with this increasing number of immigrants. That means that we need more funds and know-how in order to cope with the problem.